Another day, another a day in my life. And today I'm gonna bring you guys with me because magpapa-highlights ako ng hair and these are my pegs, so I hope ma-achieve talaga siya. By the way, I'm here at Ilac Beauty Salon. They are located at Taytay Rizal. Super cozy ng place, I must say. And before anything else, last moment with this black hair. I really love this black hair but I want something with my hair. Kaya, let's get started. First, nag-bleach test muna sila sa hair ko and tumalab naman siya kaya nag-direct bleach na sila sa hair ko. After an hour, binanlawan na din siya. Super bilis lang din naman niya kasi maikli lang yung hair ko and manipis yung buhok ko. After that, blinower na din para malagyan na ng second color yung hair ko. And while waiting another 45 minutes, nagpa-nails na din ako. And last blower for my hair. OT na sila ate dito kaya dalawa na silang tumutulong sa hair ko. And last touch will be pakulot. And dito kinikilig na ako kasi nakikita ko na yung result. Super ganda niya. And here's the final result.